Did you know that GaryVee charges $300,000 for a speaking gig? Currently, there are over 37.8 million influencers across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Once you grow your followers, you could be that valuable. How do you become a global influencer? Well, I have 6 simple steps that I'm going to share in this video today. And just so you know, global influencer does not mean that you have thousands or millions of followers. It is more about the responsive followers than it is about the number of followers that you have. But stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you a top tip on the quickest way to get more followers. But hey, if we have not met before, my name is Anna Olson. I am a coach and mentor teaching small business owners how to use video to market their business on social media. I share many more tips and strategies in my channel. So remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like the content that I'm sharing here today. Oh yes, and share this video with anyone you know that is looking to become more of an influencer for their audience and followers. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let me just get started with the 6 simple steps. Number 1, I'm going to talk about your niche, your big idea, your uniqueness. Create a list of your passions and find ones that you could create quality, consistent content for years to come. And it does not have to fit into traditional niches like news or makeup or anything like that. It can be uniquely yours. In fact, you will be more successful if you do something unique rather than replicate what your competition is already doing. But make sure that it is something that you are passionate about. I always advise my clients to pick something that they could spend hours talking about, or something that is really unique to yourself. Maybe it surrounds an experience that you've had. And of course, you can also talk about a line of products or a product that you are promoting. This definitely works if you're in the network marketing space and you're promoting products. Number 2 is platforms. What platforms are you going to be using? Is it a YouTube channel, or is it Facebook, or is it TikTok? What is it that you're going to be using? Of course, you want to aim to be successful across all platforms. So it's really important that you have the same name going across all platforms so people can find you. And then use 1 or 2 of those platforms to organically grow your audience, grow your followers. Engage with your followers on a consistent basis on whatever channels that you decide to use. This will avoid the algorithm of each channel from undersharing your content. Once your engagement grows tremendously on one channel, then people will find you on the other channels also. Number 3, I want to talk about continuous learning. Continuous learning is essential in the digital space where things keep changing on a constant basis. Global influencers who want to be successful must spend time each day learning and researching new ways to create and promote their work. Busy work, like responding to emails and repeating the same things, will not get you to be a global influencer. Creating new content, sharing content of value, and consistently showing up for your followers is what global influencers do every day. So if you want to become a global influencer, this is what it will take for you to get there. Number 4 is to promote and collaborate. Being an influencer is 20% content and 80% promotion. What good is your excellent content if nobody sees it? So you have to be comfortable promoting your content. Invest in putting yourself out there, even if it makes you to feel uncomfortable. Just do it anyway. With that said, I'm not shy to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you want more how-to videos on how to promote yourself and brand yourself and use video. Even better, collaborating with global influencers with bigger audience than you just enhances your reach and grows your followers. And here's a little tip for you. If your content is unique and of high quality, other global influencers would gladly work with you and share to their following. Find someone to work with. Number 5 is to grow your audience. At first, it's pretty easy because you don't have a large following. But as your following grows, it can be quite challenging to respond to every comment and question. Growing your followers on your social media channels includes having loyal fans who share your work and pay for your initiatives based on how special you make them feel. So remember, it's not about how many followers you have, but how responsive the followers are that you do have. And you want to make them feel special no matter what, because they will follow you forever if you make them feel special. 1,000 responsive followers is much better than 5,000 non-responsive followers. And finally, number 6 is analytics. Know your metrics. Analytics and metrics. You need to create content around the demographic that your brand resonates with the most. Look at the data. Decipher if your content appeals to men or women, or both, young or older, and then learn how to relate to them, how to talk to your audience. For example, suppose you start a video marketing channel that is very popular in the United States right now. Then it will also be helpful for you to share tips and strategies about different types of videos that they can do for their brands, because that will be more relatable to them. Staying on top of what is happening in the marketplace in your niche is why it is so important to constantly be learning. Okay, so as I promised, I'm going to give you a top tip. So here's the top tip. Are you ready? Video is the best way to become a global influencer, hands down. Video allows a complete stranger to get to know you, like you, and even trust you in some cases without actually meeting you in person. And we all know that most people will not buy from you unless they feel like they know you first. Or maybe I should say there is a much greater possibility that they will buy from you if they feel like they know you. And so here is my question of the day. If you were to start your journey into the world of global influencing, what category would your niche be in? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. So there you have it, another episode of Anna Olson TV. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. And remember to share this video with anyone you know that could use this information.